earlier stage companies, you're probably not necessarily going to see someone with a chief product officer title. Maybe you do, but in general, it's going to be someone who is leading the product organization. Sometimes that can be someone who is just focused on product management. Sometimes that can be someone who owns product management and design, or sometimes it's someone who maybe owns all three, and either they came from more of an engineering background and maybe hold the CTO hat, or they came from a bit of a mix of an engineering and product background and sort of hold the head of R&D or head of product. But what I see typically is those earlier stage people, generally they are some founders or they're very, very early employees. Really where their strengths need to be focused on is problem discovery, solution iteration. Like they're out there kind of finding the problem and finding what needs to be solved. And so a lot of the time their focus is actually working more in the solution space. We can talk a little bit about problem space or solution space, but in generally they're thinking about, okay, I found this problem. Now, how do we iterate through to find the right solution that can solve this problem? And that's great when you're starting out. You need someone who's solely focused on that, and you've really landed in this little spot. And now it's just about iterating and continuing, trying new things and experimenting and moving yourself forward to, hey, have you found product market fit? So eventually you can get to product market fit. And then from there, it's about scaling that same idea and continuing to grow a little bit.